My white mulberries are starting to come out. I'd say the end of this month. This is June. These would be good. Got another black mulberry tree over there. The Zumi crabapple. But let's go over here to the back 40 meters. But yeah. So what I did here, my wife planted these. And these plants we bought, but we have several plants. We have kale, some herbs, rosemary and stuff over the other side. I'm not going to show you them, but it's our regular garden here. It's looking good. I just weeded it. My wife was bending down weeding. I said, no, man. This is use this tool. It just clears things right out. You don't go pulling the weeds out and then you leave the greens in or refertilize it. And it's a good tool. But this here is arugula. And it pops up all over the yard. Sometimes here, sometimes in the bushes over there. And herbs, I have onions, chives, everything too. But it just pops up. Now these seeds, these are from seeds in 2006 when my daughter and son-in-law went to Italy. It's good stuff. It's the real stuff here, man. And well, actually we ate a bunch last night. We picked the first batch. This is after being picked. So we have this. We have a lot more over in the other garden over there. Basil here. But anyways, this stuff here, it'll just pop up and keep growing, and every year it pops up, and we always have arugula. We had, you know, last night we had cooked it with oil, tomatoes, spices, ground sausage, and pasta. Man, it was just some good stuff, but great. Let's take a walk over to the side of the house there. Now, this arugula I planted here from plants from the side of the house there. I planted these, but we got cucumbers in there too. But yeah, we'll walk over and got some carnations or something there. I don't know. It's a little, but ornamental grass over there. But yeah, over here we got some herbs. Got more arugula here. Some there. There's a bunch of little arugula plants coming up there. A lot of mint. See a lot of mint in there, and they keep the ants away too. But I have peppermint over there. Got some old parsley, some rosemary, parsley, sage. Man, we got everything. Got thyme over here, lemongrass. More arugula was harvested from there. It just grows all over the place. But yeah, we got some. Actually, this is great stuff. It's a chive, and actually I put this in some sourdough. You know, when you make sourdough, my wife makes sourdough. I take it and I put it in there, and then I fry it up and put it in the pan. Maybe I record that. I don't know. I should. And it tastes delicious. So I actually added more flour and a bunch of these in there. But yeah, we got a lot of stuff. This is fennel. Kind of just comes up every year. Got some more chives over there, but there's my pooch. It's Maggie. I got a robin's nest up there too, but I don't see the mother in there. But hey guys, got some extra plants. So this is an area where you don't plant things. Got a pot over there, some tomatoes, but they got a couple more tomatoes. We usually don't grow anything in this area, but here I have good medicine, nice sage. Got to clear these weeds out. It just gets a lot of sun, so I'll show you the garden in a minute. But I'm gonna dig this up. I don't use any insecticides. I don't use anything, quite frankly. But got some tomato cages, a couple extra plants. So I decided, suggested to my wife, my wife has green thumb, but I gotta stack some wood, but got a couple plants over here. You know, usually don't plant things here, but we should be getting stuff from the farm. Signed up with the farm this week actually. Grow a lot of our own stuff: mint, peppermint, mulberry trees, white and black. A lot of herbs. All kinds of food. I'll show you. Fun things, but I don't know if this would be enough. Might be, but take advantage of this. Just want to show you a little something. Let's see here. Some English plantain, and I use this for. I make like an ointment out of it with white petrolatum or Vaseline, and it's like a good salve for your wounds. And there's a pot of it, you could boil it, you can eat it if you have to, but this I'm throwing, I have it all over the place, but English plantain, I save it, but my little pups there, seeing what's going on there. But just clearing this little spot, and I got lots of sage, that'll grow. Clearing that out, a little composter over there. But I'm going to show you the garden. A little up and down. Certainly hope the dogs don't dig, but I'm going to put the cage there. Dogs love to dig. Now these particular tomatoes would be, these are Roma. We couldn't find the San Marizanos. They're all out of them. But I'll get these going. I'll get the cages. And be right back. Nice cool day. Waste the plants. Got a little space there, good sun. So we'll utilize it, right? It's going a little better. Cool. So that's what we're doing here, man. Plants there, good sun. A couple plants there. Saw what's going on. But I'm gonna stack some wood. So this is what's going on. And on that sun porch, I have a lot of clusters of sage and mint drying there. So that's what I do. Let me just show you. I'm starting on some. I have plenty of wood, but I got more I have to work on. A lot of mulberry in this wood here. some dogwood and some mulberry, and I make things out of mulberry. But I started over there and went down. I have a big bunch of wood down there, but I'm going to fill this up. The wood I'm going to stack right now is going to be red oak. Needs more time, but I have a lot more to work on, and a split, and a get. Doesn't end, but anyways, that's what we're doing here. So this is Quinny Eskimo ferro rod, and that's what we're doing here. Work never ends, so you guys take care, and by all means, peace. Everybody, peace. And help God will get through everything here and continue our stuff. So take care.